guys, today I'll show you how to beat Crazed Bird. So in the first seconds of the game, of the level, there's a Crazed Bird. So at the start, you'll place a lot of crazed machos to stall the guy for a bit. You cannot outrange him with Bahamut, so you'll have to resort to rushing and tanking. So Crazed Whale here is gonna do some good damage. And Bahamut is here for a cycle for the reindeers and boar. Yep, here there's a boar. And there's a reindeer, right? Not right now, we're just gonna use Crazed Whale to damage him and stall him for a bit. And then cat cannon. And then now, you can meat shield with Crazed Whale. I mean Crazed wall, and just lure him. Just lure. You'll have to lure so that Reindeer will not. We're not gonna use Bahamut when Reindeer is near Crazed Bird, or else Bahamut's gonna get cooked. Gonna get absolutely obliterated. And Bahamut's there, boom. And then Crazed Whale was, oh yeah, that was a good chunk. You see that? Now Crazed Bird, we're in Crazed Bird territory. That is when Bahamut will die. Try to not make that happen. Try to just not do that a lot. Just don't. And then there's a boar. Meat shield a lot, because boar is very strong. And of course he is. Lots of health, lots of damage, very fast attack, and very fast. So you'll have to use a dense amount of meat shield when there's the boar. You knock him back. Good. He's gonna die anytime soon. And then look, he's dead. And then we'll just, this is the time we can use to trick a Crazed Bird. Reindeer, not much of a problem. Plus, if you have someone like Swimmer, this is going to be extremely easy. Or if you even just have Awakened Bahamut, this is going to be extremely easy. I'm not using Awakened Bahamut because maybe you guys won't have Awakened Bahamut by the time like you're using this guide. So if you have Swimmer Cat, he is amazing here. He's how I beat this stage. From like 30 minutes to just a few seconds, I beat this guy. I didn't use the first form, of course. I used Fishman. And just try to chip at Reindeer with a Courier and Crazed Whale. Island is just there for the boar. The Reindeers give me a lot of money, so try to kill them. So, of course, lure the Reindeer. Use Crazed Wall and Bahamut. Boom. And then chip at Crazed Bird with Crazed Whales and Couriers. And then look at that, there's a boar, and we don't have enough money to send things out. Looks like this is the time we're going to like be really desperate. Because we haven't killed the reindeer. So, yeah. You don't want to reach this time. You don't want to reach the boar when you don't have money. So, boom. Okay, you knock the boar back. Good. And you killed the rain bee. You got some good money with the whales and island. Now spam courier. Boom. Now this is the last time that you want. So this is the time where you really need to want to kill Crazed bird. Okay. And look at that. Now he's dead. And now, boom. We win. Okay. Honestly, it's just an endurance fight. If you have a weakened Bahamut to rush in, that is just good. Bye guys!